Hey guys, it's Tuesday night, and I was working on yearbook stuff, and I realized I never posted your reading assignment, even though I told every single one of your groups I would post your reading assignment tonight. So I'm sorry, but if you look at the screen, what I've done is this is a copy of the document that I posted to go with your reading assignment. So the assignment's only 9 pages, and that is already posted on Classroom, and this doc is with that post, but I wanted to explain it because as I started typing instructions, I realized it probably makes more sense if you hear it from me as opposed to trying to decipher the instructions that I write at 11:20 at night. So what you're going to do is just read those next 9 pages, stop at the part where the train disappears into the hole. Remember, I explained that this is a confusing 9 pages, and so what I did is I created this document. If you have questions, if you have thoughts or predictions or feelings or emotions or any other insight that you want to share with your classmates, I want you to just type it on this page. If you don't understand something, if you're like, what the heck is going on, just list it on this page, okay? If you're fine, if you're good, if you don't have any questions, if you feel perfectly fine, you understand everything, then you don't have to comment on this. I would suggest opening it to see what other people maybe asked or what other people thought, because you may be able to answer one of their questions, or you might have some interesting insight that nobody else thought of. Um, what I learned today listening to you guys talk about the book is a lot of you think about things that I don't think about or that your peers don't think about. So even if you understand what you read, open this document, check to see if you could respond or help somebody else out. It is not mandatory to comment on the document, it's not a grade, but it's just to help everybody understand what you're reading. Okay, so sometime tomorrow, if you have questions, post here. I will also respond to questions tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, I will post your next reading assignment. Okay. So tomorrow, technically, all you have to do is your DOL and then read those 9 pages and comment or respond to comments if you want to. Okay. I enjoyed talking to you today. We'll do that again next week in different groups. And yep, that's it. Okay. Have a good night.